I'm Bill, and this is Flatbroke Garage, and we're going to be working on my 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone project thing. So we pulled the engine, got everything out, got the new one ready to go in, but before I do that, I want to get some stuff done. Primarily fix a hole where the battery box was, and get the engine bay cleaned up. Let me get you in here. All right, let me show you what we got going on here. We have a rusty battery box area. They all are. Batteries boil, the old generators. Voltage regulators used to stick, cook the batteries. Battery juice went everywhere, just ate out all the metal. This is the old battery box. I got the bolts off, just torched them off the old box, and this is what we got. I'm going to patch this hole up, and like I said, we're going to give it a kind of a once over underneath, and on top clean it up. She's dirty. So let the fun begin. All right, well, I've been messing around. I got some scrap metal laying around from parts of the Torino and such, so I cut off a piece, and I'm kind of working it so it'll fit back where this rust spot was under the battery box. Kind of beat on it, get it worked in there a little bit more. All I got to do is then square it up, spot weld it in, grind it down, seam seal it, and then really the joints don't matter that much because the battery box goes over the top and bolts in down under here. So basically it's just keep the water and crud out, keep it sealed up, and then I think there's 2 holes that drilled through this, or at least 1 hole for the new battery box mount, so I'll give it something solid to sit on. So we'll see. Hit it a little more and go from there. Well, for the most part, it's done. Let me bring you in here and show you what I did. Chip foose has nothing to worry about, but it is metal patched. My camera quit on me through part of it, so I didn't get the priming and painting and stuff, but she's all metal patched and primed. It's undercoated underneath, and you know, it's good enough. Like I said, I'm not out for show cars or competing for points. I'm just regular guy just trying to make my car run and drive and enjoyable, you know. And you do whatever you can do to makes you happy. You don't try and impress everybody else, but that's good enough for me. We'll get a new battery box put in it, and we should be all set. Thanks for watching, and once again, if you like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thanks.